Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the problem drive and preventing further writes. This preserves recoverable blocks. Once the drive is connected to another machine with a USB adapter or dock, open Disk Management to verify the disk letter and health. Install your chosen recovery tool on a separate internal or external drive so you don't overwrite the target. Do this now. Starting recovery software on the wrong disk is the most common mistake, and avoiding it increases success rates. You run a quick scan to get immediate hits, then launch a deep scan to read raw sectors when files aren't listed. While scanning, monitor progress and make note of folders with a high hit rate. This helps prioritize what you restore first. Once scans finish, filter by file type or date to focus on important documents and photos. Preview files where the tool supports it so you confirm contents and avoid restoring corrupted data. If needed, pause and resume scans. Most tools allow it. You select files to recover and always choose a different target drive. This prevents accidental overwrites and ensures recovered data is intact. After recovery, verify by opening a representative sample of documents, spreadsheets, and media. Check file sizes and timestamps to confirm plausibility. Once verified, copy back only what's needed. If files are missing or corrupted, image the original disk sector by sector and rerun scans on the image. If that still fails, consider professional data recovery services as a last resort for hardware-related faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.